Hello everyone, I'm Flavius from Spacelift. In today's video, we will take a look at Spacelift's advanced scheduling features. With advanced scheduling, you can create schedules for stack deletion, running arbitrary tasks, and also doing runs on your stacks. And you can also do drift detection, but I'm not going to cover it in this video. So why is this useful? So for example, in this case, I have a stack that creates EC2 instances. So I have a couple of EC2 instances and their SSH keys. With advanced scheduling, you can easily create a task, for example, that does a destroy of these resources. Let's do it at 6 p.m. on a Friday, for example. And as you can see here, this is a cron. So if you're not familiar with crons, there are a lot of websites that you can check out and they can teach you how to build different cron expressions. You can also do it at a specific time, but because this is a recurring thing that I want to do, I will leave it as a cron and click on create. So in this case right now, what I'm doing is at the end of my workday on a Friday, I'm deleting all of the instances. And similarly, if I want to create them when I start work on 9 a.m. on a Monday, I can just create another schedule for a run in this case. And again, this would be a schedule. We have to add a name. Let's say create instances. We can now add the cron schedule for it. So let's run it at 9 a.m. on a Monday and click on create. And now what I have achieved here is, as I said before, we destroy everything at 6 p.m. on a Friday, and when I come into the office, I can easily just have a run happen for me and get the instances up and running. So in this way, I'm easily reducing the cost associated with my infrastructure. Apart from that, if we check the run again, you can see that I can attach a custom runtime configuration. So in here I can add different commands that can happen before and after every runner phase, for example, and this can happen only when I'm doing the schedule. Of course, if there are hooks already present inside of your stack, they will also run when the schedule happens. Another thing that I want to show you is the stack deletion. So the stack deletion, this is going to happen at a date and a time because this is a one-off thing. Whenever you do a stack deletion, the stack gets deleted and everything that's associated with it gets deleted. You have the option to keep the resources if you want or delete them. You'll just have to select a date. So in this case, this will never be a cron job because this is a one-time thing. So let's say I want to delete the stack on the 31st of July. I'll just select that date, leave a time, whatever time we want, click on create, and that's it. These schedules can be also used with blueprints as well. So if you have a self-service template into play that creates stacks, you can also take advantage of schedules here. And it's very easy to do it. In a blueprint, you'll just, for example, for this one, you'll just add this schedules keyword right here, and then add whatever you want. So in this case, I've added a task that runs Terraform destroy auto approve again on a Friday at 6 p.m. And that's it for this video.